It's another fashion video from the Tech Travel Geeks. Right then, so, a while back I did say in my initial video of the community clothing jeans, the straight cut Selvedge denim jeans, that would probably be my last pair of jeans. Now, I was wrong. I was wrong because a few weeks later I was browsing on my phone and came across the Uniqlo U straight cut Selvedge denim jeans, which are about half the price of the community clothing ones. They're from Uniqlo, who some consider to be a fast fashion brand, but when it comes to staples, Uniqlo, in my view, are really quite good. So, having seen these jeans on offer at the time for around about £40 sterling, with free delivery and a few other deals in place, with cashback and so on, I decided to get myself a pair and see what it's all about. I have watched videos from people like the Subtle Sartorialist, the Iron Snail CRD, who have all covered Uniqlo's denim, and the overall consensus among all the reviewers is that they're really good jeans. So I thought I would get myself a pair and see what the fuss is all about. So they arrived, as usual, with a courier delivery. They have plastic packaging around them, and we'll have a look at what they're like. These are the 36-inch size ones. You don't get an option for leg length because, as with most Selvedge denim, you're expected to roll them up to show off that Selvedge detailing. Now, on the Uniqlo website, these Uniqlo U Selvedge denim jeans are described as a straight cut, and that means that they will be pretty much straight. And as they come out of the box, you can see they're already turned up to show off the Selvedge detailing, or what some people call the Selvedge ID. Apparently these jeans have been developed in partnership with Kaihara Mills, one of Japan's biggest mills who have production not only in Japan but across Southeast Asia. And so these ones have what looks like a pink Selvedge ID, which means that the edge is pink finished. Now, as the packaging comes, you have a tag on the front giving you the size and so on. The body of these jeans is apparently 100% cotton. The pocket lining is 65% polyester, 35% cotton. So, interesting mix. Obviously, having polyester as part of the stitching is good. It will bring down the price of the garment, but also give you a little bit more durability because the polyester stitches will hold better over time. Now, the first impression is that the jeans are very nice. They're much softer than my community clothing ones. They're on a par with the feel of the Hebtroko jeans that we've done a video of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, this is an indigo blue raw denim. That means that it will fade over time and that it will get some character to it as it ages. And we can see that as it comes out of the bag, it also has a size sticker. I'm going to take that off, put that to one size. And there's also a tag here saying that this is Uniqlo U, a collection of progressive essentials created in our Paris atelier by artistic director Christophe Lemaire and a team of international designers. Employing advanced materials, pursuing new standards in craftsmanship, and exploring new and unique shapes, Uniqlo U is our commitment to reinventing basics for your wardrobe. Now, what I'm going to do is take the tags off. Obviously, I'm going to be using these jeans. That's it, we've passed the point of no return, literally. I'm going to take the plastic tabs off. Now, I'm confident these are going to fit because Uniqlo's sizing is consistent in my view. And we'll have a look at the detailing here. So there is contrast stitching. It seems to be a sort of tan brown stitching, which is consistent throughout. So you'll see that it is around the button, on all the seams of the jeans, and the same at the back. The only stitching that I can see that is different is the stuff on the Uniqlo U label itself. That's the only place I see dark stitching. And we'll check a bit further down. Same along the legs. And here over on the bottom as well, it seems to be the same type of stitching. So consistent stitching throughout. The button is unbranded. There's nothing on the button itself. And the key thing that stands out, this is something that I saw on Matt Wilson's video on the CRD channel, there is no rivets whatsoever. Obviously that will have brought down the price of the garment. That's how Uniqlo can be offering a pair of Selvedge Denim, raw denim jeans at under £50 sterling, or $50 US if you're in the States. So really, really impressed. The pockets, the coin pocket, or what the watch pocket, is relatively wide compared to other jeans that I've had in the past, and so that's interesting. There is no Selvedge ID on the inside of the coin pocket or on the inside of the pockets here. No reinforcement on the inside of the back pockets. I'm pretty confident this will pass the wallet test. Let's check that out. Here we go, I'm popping my wallet in. Yep, fits comfortably, so all good. Let's have a look at the inside and see a bit more of the detailing there. Here we go. Okay, so on the inside of the jeans we have, as you can see, the Selvedge ID running all the way along the leg, and it's sewn pretty tidily at the top here, going into the pockets. No branding on the pockets whatsoever, apart from in this case, the labels that Uniqlo put on. It gives you details about the care of these jeans, and it's the same on the other pocket. No branding whatsoever. So limited, as in limited or pretty much as little branding as possible. There is only Uniqlo U label stitched on the inside of the jeans, and there's no patch on the back, so pretty straightforward. In terms of belt loops, this is similar to all my Levi's jeans, so there's one loop in the middle and then two at the sides. It's quite a far way, if you have a body like mine, to go between belt loops, but it has a certain aesthetic which I think is quite popular, so similar to Levi's. Unlike, for example, my Wrangler jeans or my other jeans, which have two at the sides to make sure your belt stays up. But apart from that, I have to say, really good feel of the material. In this case, you can see the horizontal material is white, so as they age, they will tend towards this color in their fades, because that's the material being used. Interesting look overall. And as I saw on the CRD review of these jeans, obviously Matt Wilson is a subject matter expert in denim, there seems to be some good reinforcement around where the belt loops are. So there's additional material in there, which means that these should wear gracefully over the years. I have had a few pairs of jeans, including Levi's jeans, where the belt loop has actually ripped away once they started aging. Anyway, overall, let's have a look at the zip first. Yes, it's a decent YKK zip. It has blue lining on the inside, and there's no contrast stitching or anything around it. It's the same material, so good construction overall. And so what I'll do is I'll go away, wear this pair of jeans for a day before I can give you some proper first impressions from the first assessment of the build quality and the material used. I'm very, very happy. This is, as I said at the beginning, a partnership between Uniqlo and Kaihara denim mills. It's to be seen if these are actually Japanese made denim or it's denim from one of their other mills. Anyway, I'll go away and wear these for a while and get back to you with my first impressions. If there's an ad in the middle, please do watch it. You'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks by doing so. See you soon. Right then, so I'm back, and after a few days of wearing the Uniqlo U straight cut selvage jeans, I can say I'm very pleasantly surprised. They pass the pocket test where I put my Google Pixel 7 Pro in my pocket and sit down. They comfortably take my wallet and are very comfortable jeans all round. As a new pair of raw denim jeans, they obviously aren't the softest at the moment, but the feel of the material and my previous experience with hard raw denim indicate that these will soften nicely while still maintaining a little bit of rigidity. I believe that the cotton is a good cotton and will age well, but time will tell. So what we're going to do is wrap up this video. Obviously the fit is very good. It is a slightly wider fit than I'm used to, but it is a wide straight cut selvage. This selvage is decent quality and really good value in my view, especially considering similar jeans from other brands will cost you about 2 to 3 times the same amount. Now, value for money, £50 sterling is difficult to beat, but if you look at the Uniqlo website at the moment, you'll see that they are currently on offer at less than that. So I'll link in the description to where you can purchase these jeans directly from Uniqlo. I'll also link in the description to where you can see our other videos about Selvedge denim, shoes, and anything else we think is fashion related, but also related to travel. Ultimately, a comfortable pair of jeans, especially slightly baggier or roomier ones, are something quite comfortable, versatile for when you're traveling. Anyway, this is our first impressions, very positive first impressions of the Uniqlo U straight cut selvage denim jeans developed by Uniqlo in partnership with Kahara. I will, as I said, link in the description to where you can purchase them, and we will be publishing a future video where I'll give you an update on how they've worn, how they've faded, especially after the first wash. So make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, fashion items, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. If you made it this far into this video, thanks for watching, and we will speak to you soon. Thanks and goodbye. Beep, 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 beep.